Good morning, Anjali.
Good morning, Rohan, and a late morning too.
Sorry, Anjali, but I got little late.
Little late? Anyway, should we start?
Oh.
Punctuality is essential for our health. It allows our body to repair and regenerate for our entire day.
Yeah, you were right.
You know, Rohan, I've never been late to a workout. That is why I'm away from all the diseases. Rohan?
Hello, how are you, Mr. Rohan? Having abdominal pain?
Yes, doctor. Severe pain in right side of my abdomen. Doctor, this pain starts from this flank area and goes towards my groin region.
When did it start, Mr. Rohan?
Yesterday, doctor. But it was for a low period of time.
His examination revealed right renal angle tenderness, and there is also mild tenderness in his right iliac fossa. His external genitalia examination is normal, so I'm suspecting it could be renal colic.
Meet Dr. Ragini, she's our urologist.
Hello, Mr. Rohan.
She'll explain you about your problems.
Okay.